So my niece talked to me about, I was talking to her and asking her questions about, how we can possibly lift this skin here, or at least, I don't want to say hold it still, but keep it a little bit more taut. And she suggested that I try two products from Louise. I normally do not or have not tried any other products in Mary Kay, as you know. So I thought, okay, she suggested it, so I'm going to give it a try. Okay, so it's going to help with, it's going to actually prime my lid, okay, which we have a great primer. Cream contour, carve the brow, and brighten your under eye. Here's the brand. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for this to stay very taut while I wear my makeup throughout the day. So it is an international product. I had to order it. Took a little over 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half. Now these come in colors and shades. When I put this on my hand last night, it is very light. So it's probably going to be too light for me, but I'm going to give it a try. So what this is supposed to do is this is supposed to take place of our eye primer and our face primer. Now, the one thing I love about this one is the fact that it has SPF in it. So for those of us that wear our CC creams, or just, we're kind of dashing out the door and we're doing a very minimal, natural color look, this is really important to me because it has our SPF in it. So I'm going to not use that, even though I want to put it on prior to using these. So let's just give it a try. And I'm not really sure how much to use, so we're going to find out. I'm sorry, I keep looking at the button over here. Let me get a fresh cotton. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to have to look in my, I don't know how my phone's going to work for me. Oh my, what do I do with all this extra stuff? Holy cow, that's like way more than I needed, I guess. But so when I do my eyes, I use my, so this is kind of like a primer concealer put together, is what I understood, how I understood it. When it comes to makeup, I've honestly, wow, see how white that is on me? Can you see that? I'm not sure if the lights are, probably the light behind me. That's really white. So what is this color? 0.5. So I bet you I could use up, I bet you I could use a 1 or 1.5 easily. All right, so we're going to put that off to the side. And this one here is for the rest of my face, which it's going to turn it white. Oh my goodness, it's going to turn it so white. Let's just take a little bit and put it down there. It's got the kind, it's a very pretty package. I mean, it's a beautiful package, don't get me wrong. It's my colors, the pink, it's just, it doesn't say like ivory or beige, it just says 1, 2, 3. So let's try this. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave this on. I'll tell you why. Because what I'm doing today, let me just put it on a little bit and see how it goes. I'll use it as a stipling. Maybe I need to, because I've never asked Ash how she applies it. I'm not sure if she applies it with a sponge. It's funny. Some of her things she just puts her fingers with, and I'm like, okay. I was taught to keep your fingers out of your products because you could have bacteria on them. See how white that makes my skin? I like the coverage though. Look at that. It did cover very, very well. Is that a word? Very, very well. I never got a good grade in English, ladies. So if you're a teacher, do not grade me, because I can tell you I was ecstatic with a C. C minus. Of course, I've taken school and graduate. I'm now have 2 bachelor degrees and I've grown a lot. Now that just, I love the way that covered. Honestly, it just covered my, see my spots? You can hardly see them. So if I use our Mary Kay's concealer like that, it would do the same. This is much thicker. It's very creamy though, which is a nice, that's nice because that, I guess I need to put it up here. Oh my gosh. It's like I'm covering my whole face with concealer. That's not what my intention was. So let me look at my eyelids. When we put the eye colors on, it will make, that's going to be the test. Because that's the test, right? And my fine lines around my mouth, that's going to show huge. Blossom. I looked right at it and I called it something different. I'm thinking about looking into microblade my eyebrows just because. Bleach blonde like it's doing now. See, it's getting really blonde really fast because I'm in the sun. And you know, in Michigan, yesterday it was 50s and 60s, and today's it's 60s and 60s and 80s. So who knows? All right. You could say it's like using our eye primer with our concealer put together. That's basically what it is. But if it's not really tightening it any more than what I had, then it's really not a good. And I know that Mary Kay does a huge amount of research, and they're, you know, they're always on and looking and working on new things. So that is one of the reasons, my favorite reason in the world for sticking with Mary Kay. I just wanted to try another product because I was told I was just a little bit biased, and I thought, well, I don't even want to have to go out into the world and try to figure it out. Our Merlot, I love the Merlot. Merlot is a pretty color. So here's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to take a photo when I get done, and then I'm going to take a photo after about my first hour, because usually my first hour my makeup is running off my eyes. And then I'm going to take a picture probably around 12 o'clock. And I'm going to put them all together and we're going to see. And then I'm going to take, and tomorrow I'm going to use our product, and I'm going to do the same thing. So here we go. We're going to put some sparkle right here. And we're just going to do a little comparison. Yes, a little comparison. Oh, see, I forgot I don't even have my, foundation on. Oh my goodness. I'm making a little, see, I have a lot of hairs there, but they're not. Oh, look at that. A spot is coming. You can see it again. It's kind of weird. It's almost like the stuff wore off, but I mean, it didn't, right? It's a little bit more like I know it's there, right? With our Mary Kay products, I put it on and you just you don't feel it. Sometimes you're like, did I remember to put that on or did I not? And this is it's not cakey, but it's thicker, right? So it's a little bit more. And if I use my sponge, it would give me a different. Now this is kind of one of my things when I can see my lines like right there, right around my face. It's like heavier. I don't want it to be heavier feeling, right? Because then it's gonna feel. Which one is this? I'm gonna have to change to my higher color already. Oh my goodness. It's crazy how fast that goes, right? Where's my beige? My gosh, I gotta get my glasses out. I usually have it written. There's 170. So we're gonna have to change the 170 pretty quick here. See how it's really light? Let's see what it's gonna do. This will change our, make it a little less white. Oh my goodness, it's so white. I'm gonna take my blending brush. It's probably got like way too much stuff and it's like, what are you putting on me now? Right, light things are going to bring it out farther. Dark things are going to recede it. Dark colors, so I just put on quick color here. I love these two on me. These two colors on me, okay? These two really look good on me. They go with a lot of my my colors that I wear and stuff. Obviously, a more darker skin, these would look fabulous on. You could wear them if you're a lighter skin too. It's just I prefer more peaches and corals. I always kind of turn towards that, and the pinks. These I would be more for my darker bronze or deeper beige skinned ladies. This would look fabulous on you. I am going to put on my go-to True Dimension. It has become a classic item. Waterproof because it is. Just that. It's waterproof, and I'm going to keep it. Let's let that dry, let that dry, let that dry. I'm not hating this P. Louise. I'm just, it's going to get some used, going to have to get some getting used to. And I guess if I had more of my shade, because when I see my face, it just looks really white. If you hadn't noticed, I did go ahead and put a little bit of our bronzer on, and then of course my cheek color, I use the new liquid. These two, I did like them. They're not my shade, but I like the way they covered and the way they are holding. So like I said, I'm going to take pictures throughout the day, and we're going to see what my makeup looks like. It's going to be that's going to be the telltale as to how long it lasts like this without it going away. Before before, the last thing I do, which I do this with my other one, is I use our finishing spray. So before I put, oops, we shall see. We shall see what it looks like. We shall see what it